like this color. This first. Okay. It's done. Oh my mamma mia. It's huge. Okay, let me show to you in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, everyone. So last night I received some presents from Philippines. We'll do an unboxing for you today. Mommy has already unboxed her presents, so I'll show you what she got. Mom Rose and Sir Patrick's gifts from our Tarlac friends. Ta-da! Okay, first off we have RoboCap buttermilk. No idea what's that. And then we have candy boots. I also don't know what's that. And then we have a water bottle. I think we all know what's a water bottle. I think Mommy has the yellow color and Sir has the blue color. Very clever. Blue is his favorite color. I'll put this one side. Oh, they also have this. Would you like to tell me what these are? Ate Rachel said is to do this. But I don't think so. Maybe it's a stirrer. No nah, it's to do this right. On the water bottle. Oopsies. The morning brain isn't working. Okay, this one is mine. It's pretty much the same. Different color. Mine is, you see? Oh, I got my name somewhere. Nice, thank you very much. Ah, no cover one. Ah, so we have the cover here. I see. Okay. It's a set. Oh, so cute. I like this color. Like that. Why is the cover a square? Okay. So like that. I take out first. This one, and the glider. See me? What is the glider? One each lah. So Mommy, Daddy, and mine. Okay, I'll put this one side first, Okay. Back to my RoboCup. Okay, this one. Open this first. A cup? What am I supposed to do with this?
Cover the Robo.
Like this. Like this. So many accessories. And then we open this. Okay, so this one. Am I supposed to show the brand or not? Show lah. Okay. I don't know how to put it in. Okay. Having a little technical difficulty. Don't know how to do. Okay. Let's wait. Ate, help me first. Let me open this. A straw. It's done. Ate helped me fix it. So hold it like that. And that's my name. This is the final product. I have one more present. Okay. It's a little bit huge. So it is from Blue Magic. So there's a card. I cannot take out the card, but here we are. The card is here. Okay, the card says, "We miss you so much, Jia Jia. Sending all our hugs and a little huggable gift. I think it's a soft toy. Hope it brings some comfort while you rest and heal. Love you, Shayne and Shanel." By the way, half of my bed is already filled with toys. So, let's see what's in there. Is it a custom-made toy or something? So many tape. Oh my mamma mia. It's huge. They guess what is it? What toy?
Bear.
It's not bear. It's not a rabbit. It's heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show to you. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Capybara. Capybara. And we have a hat. I also can wear. Hold up.
One is yours. And then this is yours also.
So cute. Thank you. I love this kind of things, but don't buy anymore, okay? I got no space already. Thank you so much for the gifts. I like it, especially this one. This one, next time I'll use it. Oh, there's a name. Little guy has a name. Golf. Mommy, come.
Yeah, so cute.
This is mine.
Oh, okay. So cute. I like this.
Thank
Why I don't
you.
have? Why I don't have? So big.
You thank them for yours.
Yes. Thank who? Actually, it's from Zazil.
Jazil's family.
Oh, I see.
And Aesha.
Aesha.
Aesha is the girl with the long hair, the little brother.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for all your beautiful gifts.
This one from Aesha, this one from Jazil's family.
Okay, thank you so much for loving us too. Hope to see you one day. Okay, we'll fly over to your place. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you Ate Jahz for bringing everything over for me. Hope to see you.